स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और आज आप लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे सेंसेक्स टुडे के बारे में। और सेंसेक्स टुडे निफ्टी 50 स्टॉक मार्केट लाइव अपडेट्स, गिफ्ट निफ्टी सिग्नल्स ए म्यूट स्टार्ट, एशियन शेयर्स स्टेट मिक्स। सेंसेक्स टुडे निफ्टी 50 स्टॉक मार्केट लाइव अपडेट्स। Indian equities index lower on Friday with the Sensex and Nifty logging a fifth straight session of losses as global trade worries and political uncertainty in the Washington dampened investor statement. A brief early rebound proved short-lived with the benchmark turning negative within minutes of the opening as caution resurfaced across the market. Indian equities index lower on Friday with the Sensex of Nifty extending their losing streaks to fifth straight session as global trade worries and the political uncertainty Washington keep the investor cautious. Sensex to the Nifty 50 stock market live updates. Indian equities index lower on Friday with the Sensex and Nifty extending their losing streaks to a fifth straight session as the global trade worries and political uncertainty in Washington keep investor cautious. A tentative rebound at the open quick fizzle out with the benchmark slipping into the red within minutes as ceilings pressure returned. The BSE Sensex declined 604.72 points or 0.72% to close at 83,576.24, while the NSE Nifty 50 fell 193.55 points or 0.75% to end the session at 25,683.30. दोस्तों, आज हम लोगों के साथ डिस्कस कर रहे हैं निफ्टी 50 के बारे में। और आप लोगों ने देख पा रहे हैं जो सेंसेक्स के बारे में। सेंसेक्स टुडे निफ्टी 50 स्टॉक मार्केट लाइव अपडेट्स, जो गिफ्ट निफ्टी सिग्नल्स ए म्यूट स्टार्टेड, एशियन शेयर्स ट्रेड मिक्स। सेंसेक्स टुडे निफ्टी 50 स्टॉक मार्केट लाइव अपडेट्स. Indian equities and index lower on Friday with the Sensex and Nifty logging a fifth straight session of losses as the global trade worries and political uncertainty in the Washington dampened investor sentiment. A brief early rebound proved short-lived with the benchmark turning negative within minutes of the opening as the cations refreshed across the market. Sensex today Nifty 50 stock market live updates. Indian equities index lower on Friday with the Sensex and Nifty extending their losing streaks to fifth straight session. As a key investor and cautious, the tentative rebound at the open quick fizzled out with the benchmark slipping into the red within minutes as the selling pressure returns. The BSE Sensex declined 604.72 points or 0.72% to close at 83,576.24, while the NSE Nifty 50 fell 193.55 points or 0.75% to end the session at 25,683.30.